Hello everyone. So let's see the this GPT based chatbot. So I'm using the default API. Okay, that is given by OpenAI. It's not ChatGPT. Okay, let me tell you that. So let's try to ask some query. So what is let's say what is data science if I ask? Okay, so let's see what answers we get. So it's using an OpenAI API. So you can see data science is an interdisciplinary field that uses scientific methods to process algorithm and insights from structured and unstructured data. So it seems like it's correct, right? And let's say if I ask you that, what are the skill, let's say technical skills required for data science? What are the technical skills required for data science? So this is the query. Let's see the answer. So it says that programming language are like Python, R, Java, then asking for data analysis, visualization, pandas, numpy, scipy. That's actually correct. Okay. Then machine learning for that, scikit-learn, TensorFlow, Keras, PyTorch. For big data, we have Hadoop. Okay, that is really interesting. So you see here, it's giving you a proper answer. Only thing is that we can organize these pointers, okay, so that it will appear properly here. But still, it's giving us the answers that we need. I hope that's clear. That's it for the demo.